Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to unbox Ryzen 9 3900X CPU. It is a 12-core CPU and let's see what's inside. This is the image of the stock fan that comes with it, and on top of that we can see the CPU and CPU sticker. And this is the back side of the processor. It is very sensitive and we have to be very careful while mounting in the motherboard. This is the stock CPU cooler and comes with two cables. This cable is used for controlling the lighting effect of the CPU fan. It has two types of cable. One is one will be connected to your RGB header of motherboard, and another is if you do not have any RGB header available in your motherboard, then you can connect it with free available USB 2 port. As you can see, the thermal paste is already applied here, so there is no need to apply additional thermal paste. The attached cable with the CPU cooler will be connected to the motherboard CPU header. Okay guys, that's all. Thank you so much for watching this video.